we are ready to understand how to realize presence of God and how to pray and how to place our devotion that God should incarnate. We want to feel presence of God with surety, not in imagination. This will be the topic for today. We are seeking and searching the ultimate solution for the problems we have. What is our problem? That we realize we are not having sufficient power. Always we feel that we are having lack of power. We feel tiredness. We are not having confidence. And also we realize that we are not having knowledge of all kinds. We feel insecurity in the life. Then we are trying to purchase the books. We are trying to do so many things. But still we realize insecurity in our life. Then how to solve this? Suppose that, like Paramahansa Yogananda, we are not fortunate to meet realized master. And if you are meeting, you are not recognizing. Then what is the way? And how to solve problems? It is very difficult to accept anyone as the realized master. If you have, you are lucky. If you do not have it, I am ready to give you the way how to get. But we want security. At least we must realize, we must imagine that this whole universe is created by someone and it is being operated by someone. The day and night and climates and plants, animals, human beings, these creations are very important, and someone is creator and someone is protecting and making a change. Then who is that someone? Let us accept God. Then pray God unceasingly. Pray day and night. God, you are hiding. Reveal thyself and make us realize that you are God. Then what is the proof that when I see you are God, then how to prove that this is correct, I am not in hallucination? Because the moment you know God, you become the God. You see there is burning fire. If a piece of wood is there, let wood should be in the fire. Then wood will be converted into fire. You will not find wood. It will be fire. Therefore remember exactly in the same way, the moment you realize presence of God, you will work like God. Like Jesus Christ, like Krishna, like Lahari Mahasaya. You will work like God. This will be proof that you have experienced presence of God. Otherwise it will be imagination. And if you are having imagination that we are realizing God, then we will be lazy not to seek God. And laziness is very dangerous. Now let us imagine that we are not having real master. If you are having, it is all right. If you are not having, do not worry it. Pray again and again, day and night, day and night, day and night. Do not stop prayer. All the time, pray that God reveal thyself, reveal thyself. And when you practice Kriya Yoga meditation and practice and pray, God reveal where you are. If I believe you are, then please reveal yourself. When you are having constant prayer, then you will meet a teacher. Because you are not having deep devotion in God, therefore you will not find realized master as a guru. You will meet a teacher. Teacher may be in the form of book or in the form of any general public. Will give you some glimpse, will give you some idea. Let us imagine that we met a teacher in the form of spiritual text like Bible, like Srimad Bhagavad Gita. In that there is one verse, great incarnation. Lord Krishna is explaining to Arjuna the same thing, how to feel presence of God, how to request God to incarnate and make us realize that you are God. Then what is the technique? Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir-bhavati bharata abhyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. This is the teaching of great incarnation of truth and non-violence, Lord Krishna to Arjuna. O Arjuna, if you want to feel real presence of mind, a real presence of God, that God is immortal, God means immortal, God means all in all, God means some great power which is able to preserve everything. If you want to see that, then you have to do something. You have to follow me. And what Lord Krishna is telling, practice Kriya Yoga meditation again and again, in seclusion and in action both. Then you will realize that all 24 elements, in that 24 elements, let us select one, tongue. Tongue is very important organ of sense. This sense organ is perceiving the taste. We are realizing the taste of many food, grains and fruits and so many things. And the property and nature of tongue should decline. Its property should reduce. If you are having temperature, if you are having some pain in the body, when you will eat the food, you will not have taste. If you are drinking water, you will not have taste. It means taste is declined by the temperature and pain in the body. And when the all 24 elements, they are losing their existence, but still they are present, but their properties are reduced. Power of hearing is reduced because of temperature, because of pain. I am not able to listen properly. Vision blurred. Taste is not good. And mind is not working properly. Reasoning power is not working. This is called declining the properties of 24 elements. But God, I do not like to have temperature and pain. I want some other things. How to reduce the properties of the sense organs, properties of the mind and reasoning power. Then Kriya Yoga practice. Follow Jesus Christ, follow the Lord Krishna. Both have explained the same technique. When you practice Kriya Yoga sincerely, you will realize after deep practice, you will not feel taste in the food. Taste will decline. Smell will decline. Vision will be blurred. Hearing will decline. Oh, then you feel great. That is the time when you will experience immortal consciousness. Ahimsa, Vishnu consciousness, that is presence of God. Then how you will feel it? Your body will be in suspended state. Aging will stop. Aging of the bone muscles will stop. The whole body will be in the process of rejuvenation. Then you will be able to experience. You can hold your body till you decide. Few hundred years, few thousand years, it is not impossible. If you are able to hold your body few thousand years without any stress, it means you are one with immortal consciousness, which is soul, which is God. This is the way how to incarnate God. How to show devotion in God so that God should manifest in the form of Vishnu consciousness, immortal consciousness. And if you are luckily, if you have any realized master in your life, then follow up to the end. Never say no about anything. Then you will have very fast journey towards God. If you do not have it, do not worry. I am showing you the path. Practice Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely in seclusion. Means alone when you are in your room and when you are in congregation. At the same time, decide to practice it when you are working. What kind of work? Working with the eyes, with the ear, with the nose, with the tongue, with the skin. Working with the mind, with the reasoning power. All kind of activities, whatever we are doing, just keep on practicing Kriya Yoga during that. Then with 100% guarantee, you will realize what is the reality. Then you will meet your master also. your real Guru also, as well as you will experience that you are immortal. Therefore, remember, everything is very simple nowadays because you have Kriya Yoga meditation. And we are very fortunate because we are together. You are not alone. I am like a very humble servant, is ready to serve. Just decide yourself to practice Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely. Let us bow to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation and bow to holy congregation.